Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I will be showing you guys how to get a limited item for free. So let's get into it. First of all, click on the search bar and search Tug of War. And then click on the first game that you see and join the game. When you are in the game, click on the free UGC button. Then click on this ninja. Then click on this wheel. This item is based on luck. You have to keep spinning the wheel to get the item. You will be given for spins when you join the game. You might get it on the first spin if you are the chosen one. Or it might take forever. I will try spinning it. Let's see if I get it or not. Wish me luck. As you can see, my luck sucks. By the way, if you don't get it in 4 spins, don't worry, because you get 1 spin every hour. That's all for this video. I hope this video helps you guys. Good luck to all of you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye.